All right, guys. Hey, it's Alex from Chris Studio here. I wanted to give you guys a little insight into our project management stack and into the software that we use to manage our projects. And so hopefully this gives you some good, helpful tips and exposes you to some cool software that maybe you want to implement for your agency as well to streamline processes. All right, so let's get started. So I'll start with ClickUp, and this is our task management, project management software. This is what we use to manage our teams as far as like tasks that need to be done, project stages and milestones that need to happen. It's also where our management gives access to our clients so that they can see sort of like the overall larger high level processes that happen within their project. And it's really cool. It basically integrates with everything, so it's really easy, much like Asana or Basecamp or any of those things. It's really nice. But personally, I used Basecamp for about 2 months, and on one project we kind of gave it a try, and I absolutely hated it. The whole team absolutely hated it. We've tried Asana, we've tried Trello, we've tried it all. Just there was always something missing, and really the main thing that I found that was missing from a lot of those was just the notification system being really solid. Like when a task gets assigned or something comes up, and somebody needs to get notified, or like dependent tasks where something needs to get done before the other thing gets done, things of that nature. This is just I haven't found anything that works this well. It also handles time tracking, which is really cool if you deal with a lot of kind of time-based stuff like time-based billing. But it's really cool because you can actually estimate the time it'll take for a certain task to get done, and then you can actually log your time on the task, and you can actually compare those and have a report of like, okay, this is usually what we think the time that it takes to do something is, and this is the actual one. So really cool to stay accountable, keep your team accountable, and it's got a really good notification system, so it makes sure everyone's alerted. So I highly recommend ClickUp for your project management, and it's worth checking out. All right, the second one is Notion, and Notion.so is an incredible application where basically it's our company wiki. It is where we keep all of the pertinent information about our company, pertinent information about what's coming up, our roadmap, just everything that kind of pertains to our company, our corporate structure, different things like that. It just works fantastically and you can see here they have a really cool interface showing, that you can kind of, obviously we're using ClickUp for this kind of stuff because of the notifications, but like as far as like a knowledge base for the team, any kind of database stuff, like even kind of a simple CRM like they have set up here, and any kind of notes and docs and little micro to-dos, personal stuff. I can show you a quick screenshot of ours where we have our vision and our mission. We have the actual companies that we run. Inside of here we have our different management processes and website processes. I have my own personal stuff for different kind of things. We have our some sales training, different kind of team training, roadmap, meeting notes on all of our meetings that we have. So it's really cool to keep everything kind of unified and have all the content in one place. So yeah, I highly recommend also Notion.so. So check that one out. And finally, Slack. And I'm sure you're familiar with Slack. If you're not, I highly recommend you check it out. But Slack is a wonderful thing to kind of keep conversations happening, send videos to each other, send resources to each other, kind of just keep team communication really fluid. It's a great chat app. And kind of lets things be, put kind of like organized by project, organized by topic, and I really love that. I was, having a lot of my team was in Skype before, and it was just such a nightmare to kind of organize the projects and know what we're talking about and what's going on. So this keeps things topical and keeps things really easy to manage. So I also highly recommend Slack for team communication. All right, so that's pretty much it. So that's the stack that we use. Very simple, not too many apps. We try to keep it as minimal as possible, but ClickUp, Notion, and Slack together are a wonderful combo. And thanks for watching. I hope it provided some value for you, and have a great day.